Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Today we embark on a short journey, a journey of gratitude. Gratitude holds incredible power. It's a practice that can shift our perspective, opening us to more peace, love, and abundance. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs fully, feeling the calm entering your body. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or distractions. With every breath, allow yourself to relax deeper into this moment. Now, shift your focus inward. Bring to mind something or someone that fills you with gratitude. It could be a memory, a person, a gift, or even the simple beauty of nature. It doesn't have to be grand. Sometimes the smallest things hold the greatest meaning. As you reflect on your source of gratitude, feel a warmth begin to grow in your heart. Let it expand with each breath, filling your chest, your arms, your entire being with light. Allow this feeling of gratitude to wrap around you like a comforting embrace. Now, softly repeat to yourself, I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for all the blessings, big and small, in my life. I welcome the abundance that surrounds me. Feel this energy grow with every breath, filling you with a sense of calm, contentment, and joy. Gratitude is not just a fleeting thought, it is a deep-rooted feeling that has the power to transform. Let it nourish your soul. As you continue breathing deeply, allow this energy of gratitude to ripple outward. Imagine it spreading to everyone and everything around you, touching loved ones, strangers, and even the world itself. Remember, gratitude has the power to shift our entire perspective on life. It reminds us that no matter the challenges we face, there is always something to be thankful for. Now, take a deep breath in, holding this sense of gratitude within you. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. Feel lighter, peaceful, and full of appreciation. as we close, know that this gratitude you carry with you today will continue to bloom in your life. It's always available to you whenever you need it. Thank you for sharing this moment of gratitude with me. You are worthy, you are loved, and you are enough. Namaste.